your drawing book and pencils ready? Now let's draw with me. Let's draw this friendly snake step by step. Start with 2 big, cute circles for the eyes. Inside each one, draw smaller black circles for the pupils. And draw tiny white circles to make them shiny. Now color around the circles with black. Don't rush. Take your time and draw slowly. Wow! Look at those eyes. Add 2 very small dots for the nose. And draw 2 small, happy curves for the mouth. Now, draw a thin, wiggly line coming out for the snake's famous forked tongue. Above each eye, draw a little curved line like a rainbow or a tiny hill. Make them look the same on both sides. Now, let's give the snake big round cheeks. So it looks the same on the right side and the left side. That's called symmetrical. Perfect! Draw 2 little lines on the sides of the smile. Now, draw a long curvy line starting from the head. Draw another long curvy line next to the first one. Follow my lines. Look at this shape. Make it wiggle and loop around like a pretzel. Did you draw it? Leave your comments for me below. Whenever you need, pause the video and draw. Now draw horizontal, parallel lines like stripes across the bottom of the snake's body. Keep going. You are doing great. And that's it. That's the tail. Add many big circles all over the main body and the head. Make them unevenly spaced and different sizes. At the very end of the tail, let's draw a little bumpy shaker. Use some curvy lines that go side by side to make it look like a small rattle or a bell that can shake, shake, shake. Give your cute snake a few little lashes on the top of each eye to make it extra sweet. Look at this! Use bright green for the body. And a lighter yellow green for the belly stripes and inner face. And I use darker green for the spots. And simple red for the tongue. And that's it. Did you like this drawing? Leave your comments for me below. Thank you all.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.